Hello everyone and welcome to From Pizza to Dal Chawal. So today I'll be sharing the recipe of this delicious Dhaba style Kadhai mushrooms. This tastes so delicious and is so easy to make. So do check out the recipe and give it a try. जदि आपण ए रेसिपी को ओडिया देखिया चाहछन देन ऊपर थिबा आई बटन लिंक को प्रेस करंतु. So first, to prepare the Kadhai Masala, in a pan heat 2 teaspoons of cumin seeds, 2 teaspoons of coriander seeds, half teaspoon of fennel seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 2 green cardamoms and 3 cloves. Roast for 2 to 3 minutes till they turn aromatic. Then break and add 1 tej patta or bay leaf. Roast for a few seconds and allow it to cool down, then blend to make a powder. Keep it aside. Now in the same kadai, heat 1 tablespoon of oil. To that add 350 grams to 400 grams of mushrooms. I have chopped them. Saute for 1 to 2 minutes. After they turn soft, add 2 diced onions and 1 diced capsicum. Saute for a minute. Transfer it to a plate and keep aside. In the same pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of oil and heat it. To that add 1.5 teaspoon of cumin seeds and 3 finely chopped onions. Saute till they turn golden brown. Then add 3 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute for 2 to 3 minutes or until the raw smell is gone. Then add puree of 3 tomatoes. Give it a good mix. Next add salt as per taste, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, half teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1.5 teaspoon of Kashmiri chilli powder. Mix the spices well. Add the prepared Kadhai Masala and give it a mix. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes our masala is perfectly cooked now. Add the mushroom mixture. Then mix it well with the masala. Then add 2 slit green chillies, half inch of julienne cut ginger and 1 glass of water. Mix well. Cover and let it cook for 5 minutes. See how beautiful our gravy looks. This is perfectly cooked now. Our mushrooms are also perfectly cooked. Serve it hot with chapati or rice. This tastes so amazing. You can also add Kasoori methi in it if you want. I have skipped it today. So our delicious Dhaba style Kadhai mushrooms are ready. This is so easy to make. The flavor bomb here is the Kadhai Masala that we prepared. Most of the taste comes from that only. So do try it out yourselves and let me know how it turned out. So if you like this recipe, do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching. Goodbye.